Hello everyone, it's Brendan the Paleo Dude back with another Jurassic World toy review. So today we'll be taking a look at what's inside this old box of Jurassic Park toys and books and other media that I've been collecting over the years. And I've been storing this underneath my bed, so a lot of these are from like the older Jurassic World and Jurassic Park. There's a few books, DVDs, and like other merchandise as well. So let's dive right in. We've got some of the old Jurassic Park books and novels. These guys are from various different places, like this one was gifted to me. A few of them I found at thrift stores, flea markets, stuff like that. And they're in various different conditions and editions, which is pretty cool. And then we got the old Jurassic Park set. Oh, there's money inside of it. That's strange. More money. Oh my goodness. It's very beautiful. It's in good condition. I believe this is from the Jurassic World Play-Doh set. It was a game where you'd rip Play-Doh off of each other's dinosaur. It's pretty interesting. And then this is the like 2015 raptor figure from Jurassic World. Got the old, I think Kenner released these, or maybe Hasbro, the old, yeah, Kenner like junior toys from back in the day. This isn't Jurassic World, I think this is Astractosaurs. This is a lineup where you could hybridize dinosaurs, and this is like maybe a Burger King or a McDonald's figure, but it kind of resembles the Ultimasaurus, so that's why it's in here. Pteranodon from the 2015 Jurassic World. Then we've got some 2015 Jurassic World vehicles. They've all got like the Jurassic World brand on them, but they don't really have anything to do with the movies at all. Blind bag. 15 dinosaurs inside. And then, I think this is Burger King. Baby Velociraptor bobblehead. The old Jurassic Park Sega Game Gear cartridge. So, I don't think I have the console for this, but I found it for pretty cheap somewhere. The old soundtrack DVD. A great disc. Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom Baby Blue Lego set. The 2015 Gallimimus Lego set, an exclusive that was released when you bought the Lego game, and then I found a bunch of them at Toys R Us for really cheap, so I bought a bunch. Some rusty batteries from some of my Jurassic Park Kenner figures and Mattel figures, or not Mattel, Hasbro. What are these? Body pillow. Oh, I love that game. What is it? It's the Brachiosaurus. I think that's what they're called. VR headset manual, Indominus Rex manual. The old popcorn bag from Jurassic World. Share Coke with the mosasaurus. Some old stickers from 2015. What's this? Oh, a cutout of the Universal Jurassic Park ride out of a magazine. Jurassic World CD box wrapper. $5 movie ticket code from Jurassic World. Blind bag. Jurassic World stickers. Got some cool renders on here. More stickers. A sticker sheet. Coloring book. Ooh, what do we have in here? Oh wow, Jurassic Park Diecast figures still in package. and this one has on the back all the different ones you can collect. I got these back in the day for $1 each, and sadly I took all of them out of package, but I still have this one in package. And for some reason I didn't buy the rest. I don't know why. You can see they're Kenner, JP. I love the original packaging. Very beautiful. I got the old Tanystropheus, codename Cobra packaging with constricting neck. Beautiful tropical packaging. Let's see what else is in the lineup. We've got all the others, like the Lycanops and the Pachycephalosaurus, Demon, Quetzal, Young Rex, and a few of the figures, and the unreleased vehicles. I gotta put this down. Oh, these guys are the old Jurassic Park books. Gallimimus. Here, let me just adjust the camera. Gallimimus, Brachiosaurus, Triceratops, and Jurassic Park. I have the complete series of these books in my room. These are just a few of the doubles that I store in this box. Got some very beautiful posters. Very simple, yet I love the designs of them from Jurassic World. Got some Indominus versus the Raptors, and then we got like a mosasaur fold out. Another VHS. Jurassic Park 3 VHS, shiny holofoil. Classic Jurassic Park keychains. The Dilophosaurus is in there, Triceratops, and Velociraptor. I bought these at Alberta at a gift shop a few years ago. And then we've got some of the classic Jurassic Park figure cards. Oh, this one's a Jurassic Park 3 card. This one's The Lost World. And then some in-package cards. And then, ooh, some comic books. Okay, so let's take a look at these. Feeding Time, this one looks to be a complete set. Jurassic Park Return to Jurassic Park, Babies in Trouble. Oh, I love this one. Raptor Hijinks, I've got 2 of those. This one's got a shiny card in it. Then I've got some in their original packaging. So you can see the packaging has the Jurassic Park on it. Movie adaptation. More Raptor comics. Different cover variations of them as well. Then some of the new Jurassic Park Dangerous games. I think this was released around the time of the G.I. Joe figure crossover with Hasbro. Yeah, oh, that's a lot of comics. I forgot I had all these. So anyways, yeah, that concludes my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I haven't looked through this box in quite a long time, so I found quite a few treasures that surprised me. If you'd like to see more content, don't forget to subscribe, and I'd love to hear what your favorite piece of merchandise in this box was your favorite. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.